Welcome to Square Town. Your mission is to transform one big square into exactly the target number of squares. Think first, then make every click count. Watch current and target. A split turns one square into 4 smaller squares, so a clean split adds 3 to the count. Merge reverses that idea when 4 matching neighbors form one full square. Start in friend mode. Player 1 chooses a whole number target. We will enter 7, press set target, and hand the challenge to player 2. Player 2 selects the large square. Predict the change. One split should move current from 1 to 4. Now press split. We need 3 more. Select just 1/4 and split it. 4 plus 3 becomes 7. The current value now matches the target. Press submit only after checking that current equals target. Great! Player 2 completed the friend challenge in 2 thoughtful moves. Close the success message and look at move history and reflection. It records the player, action, count change, and result, helping you learn from the pattern instead of guessing. Now switch opponent to computer. The computer creates a reachable target and a move benchmark. Easy mode is perfect for practicing the +3 pattern. Our computer challenge is 10 squares in 3 moves. Plan before clicking: 1 to 4, 4 to 7, then 7 to 10. That is 3 clean splits. Move 1, select the large square and split it. Current becomes 4. Move 2, split 1/4 for 7. Move 3, split a different quarter for 10. 3 moves exactly, so we match the computer benchmark. Submit, celebrate, and check the running log. The successful trend is +3 per split. Next time, predict your route before touching the board, then see whether you can match or beat the benchmark. Ready? Build your square town.